Hey there, today we're diving into the stunning CORSAIR 6500X mid-tower ATX dual-chamber PC case, a masterpiece of design and functionality that offers an unrivaled view of your system through its panoramic tempered glass side and front panels. This case features a dual-chamber design that not only promotes effective cooling but also ensures a cleaner, more organized build, with one chamber dedicated to fan and radiator mounts and the other providing ample space for cable routing, drive storage, and PSU installation. It's compatible with reverse connection motherboards, validated for use with the latest ASUS BTF and MSI Project Zero motherboards, which feature connections on the back, keeping your view free from cluttered cables. With wide cooling flexibility, you can customize your setup with room for up to 10x 120mm or 7x 140mm fans, and versatile radiator mounting options for up to 360mm in the roof, bottom, and side. The 6500X makes it exceedingly simple to build a picture-perfect PC, keeping cables out of sight in the second chamber, so your rig is always ready for the show floor. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a first-timer, this case offers the perfect blend of aesthetics and practicality, making it a must-have for anyone looking to showcase their hardware in style. So, if you're ready to take your PC build to the next level, the CORSAIR 6500X is the case that combines beauty and brains in one sleek package. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.